tanan. As I was introduced, former Congressman Paul Daza. Umuditod kay Adia, representing Congressman Nico Raul Daza. Pero isip noon niya na, surugo nala ako sa congressman. Pero Officer Siton, it is my privilege and honor to be with you once again in Pasidungog 2025 because I can't remember anymore how many times I've attended, at least 4, 5, 6 times in previous years. So I'm very happy to be here with all of you for our Pasidungog Stakeholders Day, Stakeholders Night for 2025. As I mentioned to you in previous years, that it's an honor because, as many of you know, my Lola, the mother of Congressman Raul Daza, my grandmother was a former teacher who taught in Calbayo. And ako, dada, si Manamasing Daza Esteria, 30 years nagtutdo sa Central School dito sa Katarman. So ako sa iwak na produkto sa pamilya sa mga teachers, mga ito niya sobra at taas na ako pag-respektar sa naton mga educators. I am one with all of you in sharing this memorable day for the honor of our teachers, administrative officers, all the officials who are working day and night for the betterment of our school children. Allow me to acknowledge representing Governor Harrison Chuan, our very active Vice Governor Clarence Tato. So mo pa inabot ka, Vice Gov, kamuna ko late ka, so mas late ka kung para sa akin. You know, sobrang ka-serious sobrang kaupay sa NATO event, SDS June, kaupay sa pag-abot ko, sabi ko, wow, bongga good na natin Pasidungog, diba? Sobrang kaupay. The declaration of the beautiful women, handsome men who were here, all well dressed. It's so nice to see that because every day we have problems, headaches that we have to deal with. So it's nice that we have an event like this. So allow me to share a joke. Kasi we're also serious. One of my favorite jokes. Umuli niya sa mga bata, sobrang lipay niya, pag-uli niya. Diretso siya sa mama, sa papa. Kami na tay, nay. Muntik na ako maging valedictorian sa class ko. Sabi nung nanay, Pedro, paano ka muntik naging valedictorian sa class mo? Kanina tay, sabi nung teacher, tinuro yung valedictorian katabi ko. Muntik na ako. Anyways, as many of you know, our country is going through many national and local issues. Especially with the budget, I can tell you with 100% certainty that despite all these issues that you are hearing in the news, social media, there are good sides to it. In fact, I was sharing with my friend R.D. Fermo that we already started some budget reforms. And the biggest beneficiary of the budget reforms, because of the many issues with DPWH, is no less than the Department of Education. Allow me to share that in the 2025 budget, siguro pwede ko man ilata nababasa man niyo, Ang ungod, grabe good ang 2025 budget. Talaga good, in my humble opinion, it was unconstitutional. Because in our constitution, the biggest budget should be for the education sector. Anyway, in magic and formula, mas taas ang infra DPWH kumpara sa education. Anyways, pinaagi sa good work of some congressmen and women and senators, dili na mauotro kay for 2026, dako ang giniban sa DPWH. In fact, ang DPWH na halos siguro dili maabot katunga sa Department of Education. Kaya DepEd yan na 1.3 trillion as of today, magbabicameral conference committee and House and Senate, ang DPWH na sa House version is 570 billion. When before it was 1 trillion something, 1.1 trillion and DPWH, so yan na, ginibanan by 50%. In fact, from what I recall, because your humble representation is still somewhat active as a consultant, there will be a large budget. I think R.D. Fermo mentioned that. From what I recall, I think almost 60 billion pesos alone will be school classrooms. Diba? So, hopefully, with the public-private partnership, we can get close to catching up to the backlog of the school buildings. Not just for Northern Samar, but for the entire country. So, many of the issues will have a good outcome, and one of the beneficiaries will be the educational sector. Palakpak man ka mo kay kita ang beneficiary siguro. And I think as a country and as a matter of policy, it will be good in the short term and long term for our country with the budget reforms.